And now, when you know all the basic stuff about how to edit your website, once you customize it, once you change the content, update the design, you want to host it on the internet with your domain. So I will show you how to do that. Let's click again on this button and let's go to the domains page. Here you will be able to connect the custom domain to your website, but first you need to purchase the plan. So here you can see the plans. Right now I have the prices in Czech crowns since I'm based in the Czech Republic, but this is roughly $15. This is roughly $50 a month, but if you use the annual pricing, it's like 1/3 cheaper. And also, if you want 3 months for free, you can use this Framer 25 per yearly code in the checkout. When you purchase the annual pro hosting plan, you get 3 months for free with this code. So I think it's a pretty good deal, like to prepay your hosting. And in total, it's much cheaper than if you would pay it every month. So let me go back to the plans tab. Usually for the templates, like the lowest possible plan is enough for you. But in some templates, since they use some more complex features or more CMS collections, some plans are over the limits. So if you just purchase the cheapest plan that's available for you, that should be totally fine. So once you purchase the plan, you go again to the domains tab, fill out your domain, and this appears. You need to add these two DNS records in the place where you keep your domain. I, for example, use the GoDaddy website to keep my domains, and there is DNS settings, and there somewhere are DNS records, and you need to add these two. Like both of these are type A, and you just need to paste this value and keep the name empty or use this symbol for it. And once you do that, you just click publish, update, and the site should be live on your new domain. If you don't have a domain yet or don't know where to get the domain, I, for example, use the GoDaddy website. I think it's pretty simple to use. You just type here the domain you want. For example, framerwebsites1234.com. Press search. And you can just purchase the domain. You usually pay for it yearly. Some domains are cheaper, some domains are more expensive, but to be honest, it doesn't really matter what is your domain. It just needs to be clear for the user.